I'm Ted Kilpatrick. I work at No. 9 Park Restaurant in Boston. I have in store for you tonight probably an exploration of guilty pleasures when it comes to music. Probably a good time, and then third at the bottom, a tasty cocktail.
Ted Kilpatrick from Boston, who dressed up as like a green man, really thinking outside the box, really had an incredible time. An incredible drink maker from No. 9 Park. He's just gonna kill it.
It's always interesting to see, how these things come out. Everybody goes over the top in these competitions as far as everything in the kitchen sink.
I went into it saying, yeah, I'm gonna challenge myself. And midway through, the song was further ahead than I wanted it to be. I was sweating through this felt suit that I was wearing, and I was like, egg drinks in this costume? Ted, you are an idiot. I think if anything, I've made it a little bit more difficult for myself tonight, and it may as well bring it if it's the national finals, I guess, right?